Hey, Susan Vincentz here, and in this video we are going to talk about Chrome apps versus Chrome extensions. So a Chrome app is a web-based app in Chrome, and it tends to look like and act a lot like a separate installed program. So just like on your phone, when you open an app, it's a separate program that kind of does its thing. But apps in Chrome have been around for a while, but they're going to actually cease to exist in another year or so. So coming up in the summer of 2022, their functionality will actually happen through the browser. So some of those things that you use as a Chrome app will probably cease to exist. So they may still be functional on some Chromebooks at the time of this recording, but just know that in the future, if you're hearing this and watching this, that apps may not fully function the way that they have always functioned in Google Chrome. Now, on the other hand, we have Chrome extensions, and what Chrome extensions do is they extend the functionality of Google Chrome. So you load them in your Google Chrome browser and they let you do something beyond what Google Chrome normally would allow you to do. So normally that's for efficiency and convenience. So for example, Screencastify, that many people use to make screencasts such as this. And we're going to take a look here in the next couple of moments of what apps look like and what extensions look like and how to get them on your Chrome browser. So stay with me and we will take a look at the Chrome Web Store coming up next. So here we are on a Google screen with my bookmarks bar showing. So remember, you have your bookmarks bar where you can add shortcuts across there to more easily get to programs. So apps, Google Apps, typically show up in that bookmarks bar over on the far left, especially if you're under a domain like part of a school account. You're going to see this rainbow colored waffle here with the word apps beside it. If you click that, you're going to get the normal Google for Workspace Education apps, Mail, Drive, Sheets, Slides, Docs, all that good stuff. Also, if you have other things, many of your online digital textbooks may come to you as a Chrome app. So you may see some of those loaded under this. I do not currently have any extra Chrome apps on my account, so that's why this is all I see. But from here, I can get to the web store, which is where I want to go to add those extensions. Now, if I do not go to the apps section, I can just simply type in Chrome Web Store. So if I simply want to just go straight to the Chrome Web Store and not use that apps waffle, I can just simply type in Chrome Web Store in my Google Chrome browser and it'll get me right there with a quick shortcut. So this is where I'm going to search for extensions. So if I go up here to the search bar, it will let me search for extensions. So let's say I want to search for the Grammarly extension that will check my grammar and my spelling when I'm typing inside of Google Chrome. So I'm going to search for Grammarly, and there it is. So I do not have this extension. I'm going to click on it. This will give me some more information, much like your app store works on your phone or your iPhone or your Android phone. You can get the information, you can see screenshots, and look at that. Now, if you want to add it to your Chrome browser, you're simply going to just click the Add to Chrome button right here, and it will ask you if you're sure, and you're going to hit Add Extension. So, and it will load. It will take just a moment to add that extension. And what's going to happen is when it gets installed and added, it's going to come up here at the very top right next to your Omni box, your address bar on Google. Okay, so notice there it is. The Grammarly extension is right there. Now, notice I have several extensions here already. So in order to not make this Omni box much smaller, what happens is your extensions get placed in the background. So if you look at what looks like this little jigsaw puzzle piece, this will display the rest of your extensions. And then you can choose to pin it. So if I click this pin button right here, then it will pin that Grammarly extension. If I don't want it to show up all the time, for example, I can just simply unpin it. So pinning will attach it, unpinning will detach it. And then the more you attach, the shorter your Omni box will will end up being. So that is an intro to Google Apps and Google extensions and where to load them. So I went to the Chrome Web Store, searched, and I came up with the extensions that I chose to use. So there's extensions for various things, and again, extensions are meant to extend the functionality of Google Chrome to make something a little bit more efficient or more convenient. If you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to reach out, and I will be happy to assist as always. Thank you very much.